Hello, brethren, and welcome to this latest vlog. And I hope you're all keeping well and looking forward to resuming our meetings whenever that may be. This week, I'm very grateful to Mrs. Ann Knott, a naturopathic doctor, who has written this very helpful guide to boosting our immune system, and most importantly, why the various things that we all sort of know about actually work. The why of immunity. In these times, our immunity has come to the forefront of our minds, and there are many sources of information out there about supporting our immunity. The most important fact is that our digestive tract is the largest immune organ in the body. When we are conceived, the initial cell multiplies very quickly to 16 cells and then divides into two parts around which the rest of the body grows. This division becomes our entire intestinal tract. In order to protect us from anything alien that we consume, the whole of the tract is lined with a factor called secretory immunoglobulin, SIGA. How our digestive tract functions affects our immune system and indeed whole body function. We are what we consume and digest, which is why chewing is so essential to our general health and immunity. The first stage of carbohydrate digestion takes place with the enzymes in the mouth and saliva. When we are eating, we really do need to chew our food. A favourite phrase of Anne's is, once you swallow, there are no more teeth. So if you swallow large particles of food, the only hope for digestion to obtain nutrition is by fermentation, which creates gas, and we all know where that leads. The body is made up of a large quantity of fluids such as saliva, blood, and lymph, all of which enable us to function optimally and which all contain water or H2O. The most fundamental thing we can do to make sure that we are properly hydrated is to drink 2 litres of water a day. This can be flavoured with pure fruit juice or very weak herbal teas. But commercially flavoured water contains chemicals which the body has to work to eliminate. And if they're carbonated, it creates acidity in the body, which is detrimental to tissue and creates stress in the nervous system. Some of the nutrients that are most important to support the immune system are vitamin A. This is present in higher quantities in red and orange foods, including cantaloupe melon, but also in spinach. Vitamin A is also essential to good eye health as well as immunity. And that's important to many of us now spending more time looking at computers, televisions, and other entertainment screens. The two most important vitamins that support the immune system are B6, which is in a variety of foods, including nuts, seeds, chicken, and oily fish, and B12, which is prevalent in dairy, red meat, game, all fish, and eggs. In addition, vitamin C prevents our bodies from oxidizing. We need 500 milligrams of it to function well. The best way to get this is from a good diet, including a variety of fruit and vegetables, as the extra roughage also encourages a healthy gut function. Taking large doses of vitamin supplements long term, however, can stress the body, so stick to 500 milligrams of vitamin C a day. With any supplements, if you take too much, the body can't use it, and it uses energy to get rid of it that could be used for repair. Vitamin D3 is made within our bodies when we have enough sunshine, and we need it daily for good immune function. The best sources are oily fish and eggs, which a lot of people don't eat daily. And vitamin D3 is a good supplement to take, particularly if used in conjunction with vitamin K2, with which it is synergistic. It's best taken in oil form, just 1 drop a day. When the immune system is low, take maybe 2 or 3 drops, but remember, too much of a supplement will not be used and require energy to dispose of it from the body. Other essential nutrients for good immunity are copper, folate, iron, selenium, and zinc. These are all found in a good variety of foods. They are micronutrients and only needed in small quantity, but they are essential to assist the absorption of the macronutrients. Now, adequate rest is essential to keep immunity raised. Over the years, numerous studies have concluded that 8 hours of sleep, preferably at night, is the optimum for good cellular repair. Midday napping can also prove valuable. Outdoor exercise helps our bodily functions and oxygenates our bodies. Try to take some exercise every day and where possible for a minimum of 30 minutes. Walking or non-impact jogging are excellent forms of exercise. Any other form of exercise, such as running and biking, should be taken up slowly and always end with a slowing or cooling down period of at least 10 to 20 minutes, depending on the duration and vigorousness of the activity. Exercising to exhaustion is detrimental to the tissues, which will need time and energy to repair. Now, to help with vitamin D3 synthesis talked about earlier, exercise outside in the sunshine if you can catch it. If you are unable to exercise, just sitting outside for a while every day is beneficial to your overall health and well-being. Now, having looked at some of the helpful nutrients and activities, let us now consider the bad guys, and we're going to steer away from alcohol. Refined sugar overstimulates the nervous system and increases growth of undesirable gut flora, creating more gas. Coffee and tea are stimulants, and rather than hydrate the body, they stimulate it to consume vital energy that could be used for cellular repair. Stimulants, therefore, actually contribute to dehydration. To sum up, supporting immunity is a matter of mindful nutrition, hydration, chewing, diet, exercise, and rest. Thank you for listening, brethren. I hope that many of you have had at least your first vaccination. Remember, if you're stuck for transport for medical appointments, give your almoner a call if the NHS system won't support you. We have a number of volunteers from the Light Blue Club who may be able to assist, subject to the usual COVID restrictions. Keep safe and well, brethren, and I hope to see you in person very soon. Thank you.